Hey there, this is Madison. I'm here with my friend Ashley, and we've seen your menu online and we would really like to place a pizza order. But there are so many options, so I was wondering if you just could recommend something.
Can you tell me the exact diameter of the medium pizza, please?
Hawaii? Like the island? I really want to go there one day.
How much cheese exactly will you put on my pizza?
My parents have been there. They've shown me pictures. It's so beautiful. They've been there twice, at least, I think.
Hello, this is Joe. I'd like to order a medium-sized pepperoni pizza with extra cheese. Yeah, that's it. Perfect. Bye. Thank you.
As different as Madison, Paul and Joe are, so is their way of ordering pizza. Following the technical innovation of many services, Luigi from Pizzeria Bella Italia is considering implementing a chatbot to help him with the ordering process. Unlike a human, chatbots cannot cater to the user's personality during the ordering process. That's why in our Team project we have developed chatbots that fit the customer's personality. On the left, we have the chatbot that was personalized for users with a rational decision-making style. Here we can see that the pizza menu contains additional nutritional information which rational users may find useful in the ordering process. This theme of providing the user with additional information can be seen repeatedly during the conversation with the chatbot. For example, here we get detailed information about the thickness of the crust and the available toppings. On the right, we have the chatbot that was built for people like Madison, who highly value human interaction. We see that at first, it starts the conversation as if it was a friendly employee. This chatbot is characterized by a more personal interaction with the user, resembling that of an actual human. By using personalized responses with a variety of social cues, it's able to build rapport, while also having a positive impact on the user's experience. We can see that it even makes recommendations of its own. After conducting our study, we could demonstrate that personalization of chatbots greatly improves user experience. Customers desire individual services, which they will reward with greater brand loyalty. Today, most companies mainly focus on improving human similarities during chatbot development, disregarding the potential advantage that results from customer data acquisition. Especially because companies now know more about their customers than ever before. Along with the ever-growing relevancy of chatbots, personalization of those services will become crucial in creating a product that satisfies tomorrow's demands.